Coming up on Extreme Detail Garage, it's not a helicopter. It's not a high horsepower sports car straight out of a Fast and Furious movie. It's something much bigger.
Something new, something different, something exciting for the team.
This time, the crew at Extreme Detail Garage takes on one of the largest projects to ever roll through the shop.
It's the Rolls Royce of the garbage truck, I guess.
A massive front-loading garbage truck from the folks at Johnnie On The Spot. Watch as Abdul and the team tackle this giant from bumper to bumper, transforming it with custom vinyl graphics, company branding, and eye-catching imagery designed to make this truck stand out wherever it goes. So buckle up and get ready to witness a complete vinyl transformation on a scale you've never seen before. All that and more, coming up right now on Extreme Detail Garage.
I'm Luis Guevara. I've been in the car detail industry for over 20 years. He's the master of the wraps, I'll tell you that right now.
You need to go down.
Alongside my team, we work in some of the coolest vehicles on the road, from luxury sport cars to monster trucks and timeless classic rides. No job is too big, no detail is too small. When it comes to paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and custom wraps, we do it all. This is Extreme Detail Garage.
In the past, I worked on regular trucks like tuxedo wraps, full wraps, bumper to bumper. I worked on helicopter, monster trucks. I worked on supercars, but I've never done a garbage truck.
Dude, it's incredible. There's a feeling having this huge garbage truck in my shop. It's a feeling that I can't describe. When I build this location or when we start designing this one, I say, right here, I want the biggest garage door. I want to do everything that is big, and my goal is to do the next project, a cigarette boat. Let's see if I can get one.
This is my first garbage truck, to do anything like custom or anything decals on it. And I'm excited because, first of all, it's big. Second of all, there's a lot of details on the sides that in cars you don't have to deal with. So we have a lot of obstacles and stuff, but we always make our way around with vinyl.
Hey, I'm super excited, Carlos. I think you're gonna do an outstanding job with this one. I know Abdul is printing everything, and the guys are excited to work on this one. It's been a week of just prepare the design and everything with the owners, making sure that everything gets aligned properly, that they decide exactly what man is going into the picture and what goes to every single corner in here. This thing is outstanding. Carlos, I have faith in you.
Hey, you already know what we're doing here.
Go lead the guys, make sure this thing looks incredible, because when it goes out from that big door, it's gonna be just perfect.
You have no idea.
All right, brother, this is your truck, brother. We're ready to go. What you think about it, man?
Wow, man. This is epic. This is exactly what we were looking for.
So, you sent me the idea and everything that you were trying to put together with it. And were you really expect that whatever exactly thing that we sent you over, it was gonna be basically put together in a huge scale?
Man, I was impressed with what you sent over, and I was very excited. But seeing it in real life and seeing it on the truck is just, it's a whole nother level.
Where did this logo came from? Where did the man came from?
Man, this man here is it's a picture of one of our best employees. And every time he'd go to a job site, he would leave and make sure that he gives the owner or the on-site contact, a thumbs up. And he would stay in the truck, he'd give him a thumbs up. He'd come out of the truck, do his business, give him a thumbs up. And everyone would call with positive feedback on this employee saying, hey, that guy that's always giving a thumbs up, he did a fantastic job. Nobody's cleaned the toilets like this guy's ever done. No one's left the job site with the amount of attention to detail that this guy has. So we decided to honor him and throw him on as our mascot. It really highlights what we do, and it really differentiates us from our competitors. And it just screams, I don't know, it's pretty clean for a garbage truck. I mean, you could definitely see how much they pay attention to their craft. I mean, you could see the details just on this truck. The way they removed the existing stickers, they came in, they took the proper measurements for this job, and the way they laid it out. I mean, it looks like it just rolled off the factory with this kind of decals and stuff on it.
All right, guys, so like you guys know, if you're looking for something like this, a vehicle wrap, chrome delete, anything that is vinyl, commercial wraps like this. You see, no job is too small, no job is too big. We have the big garage door that was my vision, that I wanted to have a big garage door to put things like this into the right garage with the security and in air conditioning. With that being said, Abraham, I appreciate your business. I really thank you. Joe, you're watching this video. I'm really proud of you. You are a businessman. I want to be like you when I grow up. Abraham, keep pushing forward. You have a great company and you have a background company, because Johnnie On The Spot has been in the business for so long. By the way, Mr. Wayne is his name?
Correct.
Mr. Wayne was my client when I started on Sava Lane back in 2008. And I also work on his nephew vehicle who passed away 3 years ago. And I think his son is still working into the company as a driver. With that being said, guys, thank you. We'll see you next time. Abraham, again, this is all yours.
Thank you, Luis. We're very excited and very happy.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this episode of the Johnnie On The Spot front loader vinyl transformation, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of the exciting projects we've got coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, right here on Extreme Detail Garage.